Okay, guys, so what's up? Here's my new fidget spinners I got. I have another one. Let's go look for it. Is it back here, Ryan?
I don't think so. Sorry about this. He didn't find all of them yet.
I don't know.
Okay.
We'll have to show you.
What color is it?
My other one's I think I did not. There's a purple and gold one.
Oh, with that purple one?
I have a purple and gold one here. I'll just show you guys. It's exactly similar to this. Okay.
Sorry about this.
Okay, so starting off this first one, I have this black and gold one. So I'm gonna try to get this video on. Throw this
Put it on your hand and
this
show
black
it
and
to me.
gold one, and then I have the purple one. The same as like this with the purple shell. This free one I got spins pretty well.
I really like that one.
Yeah, that one's pretty good. And then here's the really bad one. Really shaky, really generic. But yeah, that's that one. And yeah. Oh.
He was wiped out on his hoverboard.
Now what? I don't know what. Let's just go out here.
And if you think he should do a live stream, that would be really nice. If you really thought he could do a live stream. Is it hard to ride in the grass? Came in. Oh, I want to show you guys something. Look at this welcome sign. Gotta back up a little. Gotta turn it this way. That's a welcome sign that me and Gavin made with paint chalk. It's really cool. I really like it. Like looking at it. This is Gavin.